be like walking into a soundproof living room. Are you living your best life out here? Should be like walking into a soundproof. Everything's soundproof. Like it's double layer soundproof. Like this should probably be one of the most quiet vans ever. Woo! That's looking scary. Storm clouds are definitely getting close. Well, should probably take Juniper for a walk, but I didn't get anywhere near as far as I wanted to in the cooler weather, but I better take Juniper for a walk. We separated the waters above from the waters below.
Hey.
I was trying to film you filming the storm. Okay, I'm in Edinburgh, here at the School of Divinity. I'm getting some ideas for the book class. Castles, and I love churches with the trees. The trees are what's making me so excited.